Welcome to our channel. If you're new to golf, avoiding common mistakes can drastically improve your game from the start. Follow these step-by-step instructions to build a strong foundation. Step 1. Start by learning proper grip technique. Hold the club with your lead hand first, positioning it so you can see 2 to 3 knuckles when looking down. Your trail hand should wrap around naturally without excessive tension. Step 2. Focus on your stance and posture. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly flexed, and bend from your hips rather than your waist. This athletic position promotes balance and power. Step 3. Avoid the common mistake of swinging too hard. Many beginners think power comes from force, but it actually comes from proper technique and timing. Practice smooth, controlled swings before adding speed. Step 4. Keep your head still during the swing. Moving your head causes inconsistency and topped shots. Fix your eyes on the ball and maintain your spine angle throughout the motion. Step 5. Don't neglect your short game. Many beginners spend too much time at the driving range. Dedicate at least 50% of your practice to chipping, pitching, and putting for lower scores. Step 6. Take lessons from a qualified instructor early. Bad habits are harder to fix later, and professional guidance accelerates your learning curve significantly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.